Welcome to InfoTech Insights. I'm Robert, your host, and a member of the IT support staff. Between myself and our incredible team, we're dedicated to bringing you the best in IT support, cybersecurity, and cloud solutions for your small to medium-sized business. Our goal at InfoTech is to simplify complex technologies, help you protect your digital assets, and empower your business to thrive in today's fast-paced digital AI-driven world. Our team is here to support you with our years of expertise by answering your toughest questions and provide actionable insights that you can actually use to safeguard your business's digital presence. So if you want to know how to take control of your business's technology and security, then you're in the right place. So don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with any tech questions you might have, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos with our expert advice, current technologies, and best practices to safeguard your business, including ways to effectively utilize AI safely and securely. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on InfoTech Insights.